Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and in today's video, I'm going to be making this sign for Cake and Bake Scratch Kitchen. Let's get into it. For this project, I actually already started by having my friend Ken cut a sign backer for me. So just like I did on a previous sign project with 3/4 inch Baltic Birch plywood. So now that that's done, I'm going to go through and stain this with a dark walnut stain. Then I will cut the letters for it and start assembling everything together. To start off, I need to go ahead and sand this down to get a nice smooth finish and then stain it with the dark walnut stain. So with that in mind, let's get started. Now that everything is assembled and unmasked, here is the final sign. The backer for this sign is made of 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. The front logo is made out of 1/4 inch white acrylic. And then I added 2 stainless steel eye bolts for hanging this up outside. So this does have a coating on the wood for outdoor use, and the acrylic is also weather resistant. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me make this sign and the process involved. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram @MakerExperiment, where I share things along the way while I'm making the project. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.